Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share 10 intro text presets for Premiere Pro. First, download the preset pack using the link provided in the description. Now let's import the pack into Premiere Pro. Go to the Effects panel, right-click on Presets, and select Import Presets. Then simply select the file and open it. And there they are. Let's see how to apply them. All you need to do is drag and drop the effect onto your text layer. Here is the first text effect. Let's take a look at the others in order.
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.